15 unbelievable combat drone and battlefield. Moments from the Russo-Ukraine war. Must-see footage, Part 2.
Subscribe for daily content. Support this unique channel. Only a small people who watch my channel are subscribed. Let's change that. And even for more support, consider my Patreon and leave a comment of number which you like the most.
First RUPOV, fiber-optic drone targets, UA equipment and soldiers. Second RUPOV, compilation of the work of Russian fiber-optic FPV drones. Third extreme close combat of a Ukrainian Bradley versus Russian APC. Fourth RUPOV, video shows the Russian army using donkeys at the front to transport ammunition. 5. RUPOV. Fiber-optic FPV drone hit UA pickup truck with popular AFU soldier inside. Sixth RUPOV, a Russian drone operator met a civilian in the Ukrainian-controlled part of Kherson and now visits him occasionally. 7. Russo-Ukraine. Russian UMPK-kitted FAB strike on buildings where Ukrainian troops, including drone operators, are gathered. The identification of manpower concentration was done by the 177th Marine Regiment, Kursk Region, Guevo. Eight. RUPOV, Humvee transporting ammunition gets obliterated by an FPV drone. Ninth RUPOV, an Iskander OTRK hits an ammunition depot in Cherkasy, February 2022. UAPOV.TCC officer snuck up and pushed the guy off his bike. After that, other TCC officers came and began to mobilize him. Eleventh, fiber-optic FPV drone almost hit a civilian but dodged at the last moment when it saw that it was a civilian. Flyby of the Russian Tu-22M3 with an KH-22 cruise missile under its wing over the Malaya airbase. TG. 13. UAPOV, Russian drone ATGM hits American International Max Pro armored vehicle with evacuation group riding inside.
Нет,
14.
даже и мысли
Rupo,
нету.
Russian troops met an interesting old man in one of the villages of the Koronevsky district of the Kursk region.
Чудно, где-то видели, да? Вот, ребята.
А я буду эвакуироваться. Ни хрена не понятно.
Могу.
А? Что за? Да?
Ребята помогают нам эвакуировать мирных жителей. Но дед чудной, он не
Что же я
раньше
буду
был.
эвакуироваться, если дом здоровья вот стоит? Вот, дом здоровья. Настоящий дом здоровья в Луганской области, на хуторе Боги. Я ездил туда в 93-м году, 15...
Эвакуироваться будете?
Не.
Тогда мы гуманитарку, продукты дадим вам.
Ну.
И с теми, кто будет эвакуироваться, аккуратненько выйдет. У нас работа
Так
много.
подожди, ты дагестанец?
Да. Вспомнили сейчас?
По журнале, что, да?
Да, вспомнили сейчас?
Да еще как вспомню, конечно.
15th, RUPOV. In South Africa, residents came to a pro-Ukrainian rally with Russian flags and a speaker from which the song Sigma Boy played.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Support the channel so I can bring you more content. Thank you again.